We got finance companies that will give you 100%. 100%. If you have at least a 6-8 credit score, they will loan literally on a soft credit search without financials, without tax returns, they don't even care. They'll just do a soft credit check on you, and they'll loan up to $400,000 for you. Okay, amazing. Nobody would even touch that before, and most finance companies won't. Your bank probably won't because they don't know the technology. I mean, most people, when they try to go to a finance company and they're like, yeah, I'm going to buy a $500,000, $1 million concrete printer, the bank's like, again, what is that? Yeah, I want an equipment lease. I'm going to buy a concrete printer. So you don't even understand it yet, and you're trying to explain it to them. It's a train wreck waiting to happen. Okay, we're the best one. If we got to get on the phone with a finance company, we're the best ones to get on the phone with. We will help you. So, but these are some finance companies here in Utah. They've been down here. They've seen the tech. They've seen the news. They've done the research. They've been through a lot of the training points. They've walked through a mini home that was printed. They believe in it. They're excited about it. So they have the confidence of loaning you 100% because in their minds, it's all about risk. Okay? If you defaulted, they'll take the printer back. You go to any other bank and they're like, what the hell am I going to do with a concrete printer? We don't understand it. We don't know it. Is this real? Can you pass code? They're going to have all the same stupid questions that brand new buyers have. So the downside of this 100% $400K on a soft credit check without financials and tax returns and securing everything with assets is you're going to be paying about 16 to 18%. If you want a loan that's going to be in the area of the 6.5%, 7%, 8%, okay, those are different. Those are asset loans, a little bit different than what I was just talking to you about. So, but an asset loan's a whole different deal. Okay, that's where you're going in and saying, I'm putting 30% down, 25% down. I've got assets to cover what I'm asking the bank to loan me. You're going to get a lot better interest rate that way. They're walking in and saying, I got 3 years tax returns. My business has been around for these many years, and I can prove to you through tax returns I've got at least 10% growth per year. This is a dream for a lot of banks. Okay, we don't have the risk because it's secured by some land or something else. We got a company that's making money. It's grown by 10% each year for 3 years. They got certified financials because we don't believe anything anybody tells us anyway unless they are certified. They got tax returns, and they're securing this with assets. That's where you're going to get your very, very best deal. But half the people that come to us and want to buy, they're not there. They don't even have the 3 years in business, so they can't prove if they know how to run a business or if they're growing. Then we get a lot of people like, oh, we're going to do an SBA. I'm like, okay, totes, that's a pipe dream. I mean, I'm a brand new company. I don't have tax returns. I don't have assets to secure this thing with. I'm hoping I can come down to the SBA and give you guys, look at my business plan. Look what I worked out and everything else. We're all going to be rich. Loan me a whole bunch. Loan me $500,000. That's a pipe dream. Okay, those aren't going to happen. I've got 50 people in every single state that have registered. They want information. Some people have construction experience. Some people have money. So we're like, let's join the two together. And so there's some forums you can say, here's who I am. Here's what I have to offer. Here's what I'm looking for in a partner. I don't like partners. I wouldn't have a partner. Okay, if I can at all avoid it. But sometimes it's just a means to an end. So if that is a soft entry for you, if you're able to get going, get in before your competition, capture market share, make some money, okay? If that's what it takes, we will help with that. So we have, like I said, we have that form. Here's who I am. Here's what I have. Be honest, okay? Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. And here's what I'm looking for. Then we will take those and go through our list of 50 people that have registered in the state, want to buy a printer just as bad as you, and you guys can work out some kind of deal together and move forward. So don't get discouraged if you have a brand new company and you don't have assets to secure and stuff like that. There's still a possible path for you. It's going to take a little more time, but the first two are best. I mean, if you got any kind of decent credit score, you know, put some money down, get an easy 400K loan without all the bullshit. But if you can provide all the bullshit, you're going to get better interest rate. But the only reason these people are doing it when so many others out there won't do it is because they know us. We have a relationship with them. In their minds, worst scenario, holy hell, these guys pay for it for 2 years. The wife runs away with all the money. We don't get paid anymore. We have to repossess the machine. James, can you help us? Absolutely. You're helping our buyers. Let's work together.